install VirtualBox. Search for VirtualBox. Find their official website, then click it. Now, go to Downloads. I chose 5.2 version, but you can select the latest version. Select Windows hosts. Then the VirtualBox will automatically download it. Once it is already downloaded, you can now open the exe file to install. Click Run. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Yes. Then click Install. Then wait for installation to finish. It will take several minutes to finish, so be patient. Click Finish. The VirtualBox has been installed.